Hi, this is Bo Sanchez here in the Truly Rich Club. Again, I am honored to be with my mentor, Chairman Edward Lee, your mentor as well. Edward, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes.
And we're here again to give a very, very brief explanation of what's happening in the market and, yes, to encourage our members.
Well, the market is, from the time that we discussed this in maybe middle of February
Yes.
or late February, the market was about 5.8, 5.9.
Yeah. Actually, it was in the early February when we started talking.
Probably about 5.8, 5.9.
Yes.
The market has rallied a lot since then, so we hit about 6,550.
We're talking about the index of the market. So when we talked with Edward, it was 5,800, 5,900
That's
index. That's the general performance of the market. Now it is 6,000.
6,400.
6,400.
So it went up about to 6,500. Now it's about 6,350. 6,000.
That's a huge jump.
That's right. That's correct. So the market has gone up a lot. So if you think about it, it's about 8 to 9% already.
Yes.
So on the index now. Most of the individual stocks also have done well.
Yes.
Of course, prices have gone up a lot, so you might see some profit taking coming in. But we're still sticking to the end of the year number, which is we discussed is 6,900.
Yes.
We believe that the 5% risk-free rate which we put in
Yes.
will still stay there. 5% will probably
Yeah.
this year the interest rate will probably stay at this level already.
All right.
Yeah, so we don't really see any, except for, of course, the U.S. market and the Japanese market we're seeing some profit taking also going there. And of course, because of this Ukraine thing, the Russian stock market and China market has gone down a lot. It's in fact testing new low already.
Wow.
So we might see some volatility in the next few days. But it will be a good opportunity for us to buy more shares when it reaches those levels.
So Edward, you're telling us profit taking. Every time Edward says profit taking, that means that people will be selling their shares, so the prices will go down. So from 5,800
6,500
to last February, we're now in 6,500 level. We're looking at December, perhaps 6,900.
That's right.
But the trip from 6,500 to 6,900 is not a straight line.
No.
We're gonna see volatility.
Yes, that's right.
So probably profit taking because we are in an overbought situation.
That's right.
Edward.
Yes. Well, in technical terms, we called it overbought because 5.8 to 6.5 is
pretty high already.
So you would see some profit taking. So we believe maybe 6,200, 6,300
It will dip again.
Yes, that's right. But for most of the Truly Rich Club, I think the continuous buying is very critical, very important. They have to stick to the buy below price so they don't buy it too expensively.
Yes. That's our magic,
That's right.
Buying below that price.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right. So at least you have some room, 15% to your target price.
Yes.
I think this big move that happened in the last month, I think should do very well for most of the TRC members.
Yes. In fact, I think February, January, December, people were afraid, people were nervous. Oh no, my portfolio is down, lots of red. Now they're a little bit more positive. Oh, so that's what Edward meant. That's what it meant to keep on investing during the low times, and then now all of that we invested has gone up.
That's right.
So
the key in investment, and that's why we call it an investment program, is really to continue deploying, continue to invest during difficult times. So when the market recovers, then you'll benefit from it.
That's right.
Then of course some of our issues already we have a buy below it. Stop
buying now.
But just continue to buy the rest. And then when it hits your target price, we will advise.
Yes.
And possible some upgrades in some of the issues.
All right.
We have stopped buying because it's not 15% already onto the target price. But in some issues, I think there might be some upgrades.
Yes.
Some upgrades because they've done very well also for the last 2 quarters.
That's right. Edward, last question before we end. Maybe a lot of people are asking this. We received emails about this. LRI. They're asking, we're happy with the other stocks, but why is LRI lagging?
Yes. The reason is because by the end of the year, they have to settle the preferred convertible, which they issued 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
That's right. So it's about 1.3 billion shares. They have to resolve that issue. Because the problem with most of these companies, the maximum that they can invest. Foreign, yes,
Okay.
that's right. So they're directly a foreign company.
Okay.
So they can only own up to a certain limit. And then the foreigners has a maximum also. They can't go more than 40%.
Okay.
But the beauty about LRI is that they're doing very well. They continue
Great
to
company.
expand. Beautiful company. I mean, it's one of the best in the world, one of the top 3 in the world. So you have Lafarge, you
Yes.
have Cemex, which is, and then you have Holcim. No?
Yeah.
These are the top 3
Top
in
three.
the world. No? And we see that they're also expanding.
Yes.
And they will continue to declare their dividends. So
Yes.
their dividends is 85% of their profit they declare through dividends.
Woo.
Yeah, so I think the challenge is really once they resolve that issue, you would see the prices recovering
going
and
up.
start going up already.
Yeah.
So it's just this period, within
Yeah.
this end of the year, that you will see
Yeah.
this problem.
Yeah.
So prices have not resolved what they're going to do with that 1.3 billion shares.
Yeah.
No?
So
But
it's-
once it's resolved, I think that will work because it's a great company doing
Yeah.
very well, continuous dividends. So
Yeah.
if you think about they're giving away 5.5 to 6.5% cash dividend, I think
That's it.
It's the
Yeah.
best time to continue to accumulate.
So even if the stock price of LRI is not moving up, you're already earning 5%, 6% in dividends every year.
That's right.
So it's a great company. But we believe that the stock price will really actually go up once that issue of ownership,
That's right.
foreign ownership will be solved. Maybe by the end of the year, we don't know. But the thing is, it's a great time. The price is low. Every time the price is low, we're happy. So keep on investing. Thank you, Edward.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So till next month, we will be with Edward, our mentor at the Truly Rich Club. God bless you.